Hello, it's Alan. Before I start the assembly of the frontage, I thought I'd show all of the bits that are required in this part of the video. You can see at the top the fascia and the fascia tops in 500-gram card, 90-gram paper for the ideal decorations sign, and I've made a number of different signs I can try and copied the side signs off the buildings. This is the bay window, fairly straightforward. And then we've got the fiddly bit, which is the end parts of the window frames, the fascias. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show how all of these little delicate parts are made. I've taken one of the end details and split it into its component parts. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. The straight lines are fairly straightforward. The joiners straightforward. You could actually do all that in one line drawing, but what I'm concentrating on is this little bit here. So I've enlarged it to show what the actual shape is. Now there's a number of ways that you can do this one, and that is you can first of all draw a box. We'll just take a rough idea where it wants to be, and that's the box. We then take a line, so select line draw and draw a line from the top corner to the bottom. We can then draw another line to represent the other part, and basically you have the start of the shape. Using the select tool, and then go to the second button down, which is node tool, edit paths by node. Click on the line, and as you can see, it will allow you to pull by clicking on the line and holding it. You can bend the line to whatever shape you want. And there you have the component part. Take the box away, and that's what you're left with. Then you can adjust that and size it to whatever you want. There is, however, the Bezier tool, which you can use on its own. And if you click on select on the line draw, you are going to use the pen tool in this way. And I've put a little cheat sheet there for you to show exactly how it works. On the line draw, click draw line and drag and release. Now move the cursor without a finger on the button, and you can draw a curve of any shape you want. You can then draw another line off it, and you've drawn the line in one go. To recap, make sure that you click on the select tool, then the line draw, and then click and drag, release, draw to the top node, then right click on the mouse to hold that, then click on this node here, drag down, click again, right click, and there you have the shape that you want. And you can alter those by just moving these nodes around or add to them with the other lines. As you can see here, you can add another shape there. So a very powerful tool. One of the things that I would ask you to note is that when you do click on select and you pick on this Bezier curve, there are a number of modes that you can get, and you can get different paths and shapes, and I'll cover those in later editions of the INKSCAPE to Cricut machine videos. We'll move on to the photographs of assembling the frontage of the building.